Yes, hello friends. Yes, welcome. Today we are going to start our new chapter related with hydrocarbon. Heading is hydrocarbon. What is hydrocarbon? First of all, we should have to understand about the definition of hydrocarbon. From the name hydro and carbon, hydrogen and carbon, the organic compound having only two types of elements, hydrogen and carbon, they are known as hydrocarbon compounds. Okay, Sharmila. Hydrocarbon compounds can be classified in four types. First one is alkane, second one is alkene, third one is alkyne, next one is arene. Okay. What is alkane? Since we have seen that carbon possess tetravalency property, means कार्बन चार ही बॉन्ड बनाएगा, चार से ज्यादा नहीं, चार से कम नहीं, समझ लो. The organic compound in which there is a single bond between two carbon atoms, they are known as alkane compounds. Next one is alkene. To be alkene compound, minimum one double bond must be present between two carbon atoms. बाकी सिंगल बॉन्ड होगा तो चलेगा, लेकिन अल्कीन बनने के लिए दो कार्बन के बीच एक डबल बॉन्ड होना जरूरी है. ओके. एंड नेक्स्ट वन अल्काइन. अल्काइन, yes, if there is a triple bond between two carbon atoms, that hydrocarbon compounds are known as a alkyne compounds and arene compound. In arene compound, these are cyclic compounds. Alkyne always non-cyclic compounds. You see, alkene may be non-cyclic or cyclic, और alkane भी non-cyclic और cyclic में classification किया जाता है. Means type. Yes, TGB, TSL. TGB TSL. ये ब्लॉग हम लोग को प्रिपेयर करना जरूरी है, इंपॉर्टेंट है. थोड़ी थोड़ी माइनर ये जो इंफॉर्मेशन है वहां से भी कभी कभी एमसीक्यू पूछा जाता है, समझ लो. तो T4 टाइप अल्केन, अल्कीन, बोथ हाइड्रोकार्बन कंपाउंड कैन बी क्लासिफाइड इन टू टाइप्स, नॉन साइक्लिक और साइक्लिक. ओके. Whereas alkyne compound always non-cyclic and arene compound always cyclic. Second, G4 जनरल फार्मूला, ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. यस, इन केस ऑफ नॉन साइक्लिक अल्केन कंपाउंड जनरल फार्मूला इज CnH twice n plus 2. जितने कार्बन होंगे उतने हाइड्रोजन डबल प्लस 2. साइक्लिक अल्केन की जनरल फार्मूला CnH twice n. नॉन साइक्लिक अल्कीन के बारे में CnH twice n. Now you see, CnH twice n is the general formula of two types of compound. First one, cyclic alkane or non-cyclic alkene. Okay. Then CnH twice n minus 2. This is the general formula for cyclic alkene. And CnH twice n minus 2 is also the general formula of non-cyclic alkyne. Means, yes, when you may be asked the question, yes, give the compound having the general formula as CnH twice n minus 2. It may be two types, cyclic alkene, otherwise you can say non-cyclic alkyne. In case of arene compound, general formula of this compound will be CnH twice n minus 6. Okay. Bond between two carbon atoms. In both non-cyclic and cyclic alkane, one bond, single bond will be present between two carbon atoms. Yes, in case of non-cyclic alkene and cyclic alkene, सिंगल बॉन्ड एंड मिनिमम वन डबल बॉन्ड. यस, एक से ज्यादा डबल बॉन्ड हो गए तो चलेगा, लेकिन To be an alkene compound, minimum one double bond must be present between two carbon atoms. In case of non-cyclic alkyne compound, single bond and triple bond. To be alkyne compound, minimum one triple bond should be present between two carbon atoms. In case of arene compound, single bond between two carbon atoms and double bond between two carbon atoms are arranged in a cyclic system alternatively. एक बार डबल बॉन्ड आएगा, नेक्स्ट सिंगल बॉन्ड, डबल बॉन्ड सिंगल बॉन्ड, ऐसे ऑल्टरनेट पोजीशन है. T for type. In case of type, non-cyclic alkane and cyclic alkane, both are saturated compounds. In case of alkene compound, they can be classified in two types, non-cyclic and cyclic. Both are unsaturated compounds. Alkyne compounds are also known as a unsaturated compounds, and arene compound are known as a specific unsaturated compound. Okay? Saturated compound किसको बोला जाता है? देखो भाई, if there is a single bond between two carbon atoms, they are known as a saturated compounds. But if there is a double bond or triple bond between two carbon atoms, that compounds are known as a unsaturated compound. तो ये अल्कीन, अल्काइन और आरेन ये सब अनसैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड्स है, लेकिन आयरीन में थोड़ा अलग है, ये स्पेसिफिक अनसैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड. वी शुड हैव टू स्टडी अबाउट द आयरीन डिटेल, वो देखेंगे व्हाई दे आर नोन एज ए अनसैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड्स. स्ट्रक्चर बोलो, सिमेट्री बोलो या शेप बोलो, बोथ ऑल आर सेम. ये स्ट्रक्चर इन केस ऑफ नॉन साइक्लिक alkane tetrahedral three-dimensional structure is there. Remaining cyclic alkane, non-cyclic alkene, cyclic alkene, non-cyclic alkyne and arene compound, they all are the planar compounds. Why they are planar compound? They possess, in all these compounds, carbon possess sp2 or sp hybridization. Yeah, in tetrahedral 3D compound, three-dimensional, carbon possess sp3 hybridization. Then bond length. Yes, in alkane compound, if there is a single bond between two carbon atoms, bond length will be 1.54 angstrom. Otherwise, 154 picometer. Yes, if there is a double bond between two carbon atoms, the bond length will be 1.33 angstrom या 133 picometer. If there is a triple bond between two carbon atoms, तो 1.20 angstrom या 120 picometer band length होगा. Okay. Now, in case of arene compound, single bond हो या double bond हो, सभी bonds की bond length 1.39 है. This is important factor. And first member of this series, non-cyclic alkane में methane is the first member of this compound. Yes, cyclopropane is the first member of cyclic alkane. एक कार्बन से कभी साइकिल नहीं होता है, दो कार्बन से भी कभी साइकिल नहीं होता है, तीन कार्बन से साइक्लिक अल्केन स्टार्ट होता है. इथीन इज द फर्स्ट मेंबर ऑफ नॉन साइक्लिक अल्कीन. साइक्लोप्रोपीन is the first member of cyclic alkene. Ethyne, otherwise acetylene, will be first member of non-cyclic alkyne. And finally, benzene is the first member, common member of arene compound. Okay, friends. In next lecture, we will see the, we should have to study about the alkane, alkene, alkyne and arene nomenclature है, उनके isomerism है, इनके properties, methods of preparation है. property, may physical property or chemical property, we should have to study about this, all the matters. Okay, see you next time.